Omnisphere is an exceptional software synthesizer developed by Spectrasonics, widely acclaimed in the music production world for its vast sonic capabilities and intricate sound design features. As a flagship product, Omnisphere offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to both novice and professional musicians, composers, and sound designers. One of its most remarkable attributes is the extensive sound library, boasting over 14,000 sounds that span a diverse range of genres and styles. This immense library provides endless inspiration and possibilities for creating unique and captivating music. The synthesis engine is another highlight, combining various synthesis techniques such as wavetable, granular, and subtractive synthesis, allowing for complex and richly textured soundscapes. Omnisphere's user interface is intuitively designed, making it accessible for users to navigate through its vast features and customize sounds with ease. The software also includes an innovative hardware integration feature, which allows seamless control using over 65 popular hardware synthesizers, bridging the gap between software and hardware workflows. This integration not only enhances the tactile experience, but also expands the creative potential by combining the strengths of both worlds. Furthermore, Omnisphere's powerful modulation capabilities enable detailed sound shaping with a flexible modulation matrix and an array of modulation sources and targets. The arpeggiator and built-in effects further augment the sound design process, offering intricate rhythmic patterns and high-quality effects processing. The ability to import and manipulate audio files opens up new dimensions for creating personalized sounds and textures, making Omnisphere a versatile tool for any music production setup. Spectrasonics' dedication to continuous improvement is evident in their regular updates, which often include new features, enhancements, and additional sounds, ensuring that Omnisphere remains at the cutting edge of music technology. The supportive user community and comprehensive documentation provide valuable resources for learning and mastering the software. In summary, Omnisphere stands out as a powerful and versatile synthesizer that empowers musicians and producers to explore their creative potential fully. Its extensive sound library, advanced synthesis engine, intuitive interface, and seamless hardware integration make it an indispensable tool in modern music production.